Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video on App Guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft account. So if you're willing to create a Microsoft account and were wondering how you could do that, you can stick with me till the end of this video and follow these step-by-step instructions in order to sign up for your Microsoft account. So for this, you can either download the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device, or what you can do is you can simply go to your web browser, go to Microsoft.com, and then start creating an account for yourself. So here, since I've already downloaded the app on my device, I'm just going to open up the app. And as soon as you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this. In the end, you can see an option that says sign up for free, so tap on it. And here it's going to ask you if you'd like to create an individual account or if you'd like to set up a business organization. So here, since I'm trying to set up an individual account, I'm just going to tap on individual account. And as soon as I do that, I will now have to fill in certain credentials in order to start beginning to make my account on Microsoft. So here, as you can see, I've landed on a page that asking me for my phone number in order to sign up. You can also use your email, so I'm just going to tap on use your email instead. And as you tap on use your email instead, you can either type in your email address here, or what you can do is you can tap on get a new email address. So here I'm just going to tap on get a new email address. And now what I can do is I can simply type in a certain name and then tap on the next button. As I tap on the next button, what I can do is I can create an account for I can create a password for my Microsoft account. So here I've just made the password, then tap on the next button again. Now you'll have to enter your name. So I'm just going to enter my name over here. And now after you enter your name, also make sure that you enter your last name correctly and then tap on the next button again. Now here you'll have to choose your birth date and also the country or region. The country and region for me is set by default, so I won't have to do it. Here I've just given in the correct credentials for my birth date and then tap on next. And now what you have to do here is you have to solve the puzzle so they know that you're not a robot. So tap on the next button. And now what you can do is you can simply start to solve the puzzle, and after you're done doing this, in a few seconds time, you'll be able to see that you will have been successful in creating your own Microsoft account. So here it's going to also ask me if I want to add my phone number, then tap on next. And here it says that it's going to send a certain code to my phone number, so I'm just going to wait for the code. Here I've received it, then tap on the next button, and then within a few seconds time, I will now be directed towards an interface that will show me my own personal Microsoft Teams account. And having a Microsoft Teams account can be really helpful because you can exchange different forms of emails. It also helps you chat with your friends and families. So tap on get started. You can either add a picture right now or later on. After you tap on continue, you can sync your contacts or not sync your contacts and simply tap on continue. So here, as you can see, you have already been logged into your account, which means that your account creation has been successful. So this is basically how you can create your Microsoft account. It's a very simple process, and I hope that this video has aided you. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.